What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. I keep asking myself, why do I clap when I start a video? I don't know. I guess my excitement is just like getting the best of me. Y'all, look, I said I wasn't coming back on this camera, but today is just one of those days when if I don't do what I'm going to do, I won't do it. So today I wanted to share my PR packages with you, and that's something new that I want to start kind of as they come in instead of them piling up and then I don't get to them like I should. So, well, I've had a blessed day. You know, I got up early this morning, y'all, but you know, I'm good. I'm Gucci. I got things to do and I'm going to get them done. That's right. We're going to get it done. But y'all, I got some PR packages that I wanted to share with y'all. One came from an Amazon seller, and I know this one. I've got to. I'm ready to open this one up now. I have been waiting on this for so long. But I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you're blessed. If somebody made you mad today, just forget about it, because you know what, sometimes, you know, you just have to let it roll, baby. Because you know what, nobody, I'm telling you, nobody should be stealing your joy. And right now, beautiful babes, we ain't gonna let them do it, are we? We're gonna be good. We're gonna be Gucci. Well, I'm gonna make you smile when I open this present up. I say a present because this is truly a present. This particular seller reached out to me by email, and I've actually seen this item or items from this particular seller everywhere, all over the YouTube. Every time I look at my Insta feed, I'm like, who is this? And then they reached out to me, and y'all, your girl couldn't say no, because your girl loves jewelry, and it's Jeulia jewelry. This is premium artisan jewelry that they sell, and here's the packaging. And I pray, my fingers fluctuate so much, y'all already know, girl, the struggle is real when you get old, okay? So I am hoping that this is going to be a good fit for me. So I'm opening it now. I have so many goodies, and when I open the box, what does it say? It says stop. What did I stop for? Read before removing your jewelry. Y'all ain't gonna make me stop right now. All right, let's see what it says. Okay. Now, premium artisan jewelry. I'm going to read all of this great detail in just a moment, y'all, but it comes with a little booklet here that has other goodies in there that I don't need to be looking at. I don't. Oh, I feel like I've gone to the actual store. It came with a little bag. Oh my gosh, isn't that adorable? Isn't that cute? All right. I just came from the jewelry store, guys. Look at there. I got a little bag. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. Y'all, I can't wait. I'm ready to get into this box. I've waited long enough. I'm trying to make sure I open it properly. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. Check it out. I'm getting ready to put this baby on right now. All of its glory. This is actually like a wedding band set, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh yes. I've got to remove the tags off of here. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, that's beautiful. I'm sorry. I'm looking at it myself and not showing y'all. What you think about that? Can y'all see that? I hope it's like focused real good, because I can't tell one way or the other. I'll just make sure I put it up against, let's see. I'm trying to see if I have something like solid black that I can show it to y'all up against there. Okay, you see that? All right, come on, fingers, do the thing. There we go. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I'm gonna take the tab off of it. Let me just make sure. I have not even seen if it fits. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. That's perfect. My fat fingers I wear a 9. Okay, I wear a 9. See, through the years, my ring that goes on my wedding finger is tiny. Of course, my fingers were probably smaller. Even though I may have been bigger, my fingers were smaller. You know how it goes. Old age does a number. Oh my gosh, that is so, so beautiful. Y'all, look, and it has the little guard that goes around it. Whew, I'm too excited. Y'all, your girl is going to be flashing this ring, okay? But don't be mad. This is great. And again, this is Jeulia jewelry. Here's the information right here across the bottom of the video. Look down in the description. All the information is there. Get yours. Get yours. Let me make sure I put this on correctly. And here is the guards that go around it like so. I don't know if you can see that or not, but honey, I can see it. I can see that. Oh my goodness. I am putting this on right now. Oh, that is so great. The detail is beautiful. I don't care. I ain't mad at me. That's beautiful. Honey. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. My little fat fingers, honey. I better have gotten a 9. My fingers are just fat. That finger is just fat. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get close to you. Can you see that? That is so, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And don't mind that fat finger, honey, because I struggle getting the other ring off. That's why it's as fat as it is. But that is so beautiful, y'all. Honey. I'm loving it. I am so loving that. This is your girl right here. This is your girl. Check that out. Beautiful. I will have all Jeulia's jewelry information down below. This is a beautiful, beautiful artisan jewelry ring. I am so impressed by this. I don't even know what to say. Y'all, it's premium. That is beautiful. Now, can you tell me, if you're standing beside me, would you be able to say, is it real or is it Memorex? No, you would not. Beautiful. There's the back side. Great, great, beautiful jewelry. I'm stuck on this and I got other things to do. Y'all know this hand. Girl, my nails are going to get done every day. Yeah, honey. Yeah. Oh my. Y'all stop playing now. Stop playing. Look at that ring. Woo! Ciao. And the name of this ring will be down in the description as well. I want to thank Jeulia so much for reaching out to me. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Perfect size 9. That is so, so great. I'm loving it. Oh, I'm so in love. Yes. But Mikey D, don't worry. I don't love this as much as I love you, baby. You are it. But this is beautiful. He's going to love that. He's not home at the moment, but I think he's going to love that. Honey, I'm going to get me some more jewelry from Jeulia's jewelry. And I have my little cards. Yes. This is my black card or my gold card. Okay, it's a little jewelry cleaner inside of here. And they come with all the bells and whistles of nice, fine jewelry. Yes, honey. I'm loving this. And I will read over all of my instructions on how to care for this. I will also have that information kind of linked below so you can tell a little bit more about this particular company. But again, it's a quality jewelry, just premium quality jewelry, artisan, and that's beautiful. My hand looks delicious, okay? Did he say yes? I said yes. We both said yes to this. Yes, honey. I ain't taking this off. No way. No way in the world. Now let's see what's in this other box here. And again, thank you, Jeulia. Thank you so much. That is so, so, so nice. I'll be talking more about Jeulia in the future, because I know I will be probably getting more pieces from them. I'm going to check out what they have further on the website, and I'm going to be like, girl, whew, excuse me, everything that I do, you're gonna see me touching my hair more often. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is quite heavy. Now this is an Amazon seller here that reached out to me, and guess what I have? I have an IPL hair remover system here. This is pretty heavy. Wow. You know, I've been dealing with, you know, the beard and the mustache thing growing, but that happens when you get older, ladies, so don't think you're turning into a dude. You're not. But, you know, some of them, you know, I guess genes do come over as you get older when you're a woman, but hopefully that's the only thing that we grow, okay? So, yes, this is cool. I'm looking forward to testing this out. Now, it comes with the sunshades, or, you know, the eye protectors. I said sunshades, maybe sunshades. I probably can wear that. Okay, here's the power cord and a little razor, and here is the tool itself. I'll be reading into detail about this, but I'll be doing a full, complete review of this hair remover system. Yes, honey, this is the, again, IPL hair remover system. Interesting. Wow, I got a lot to read, but this is going to be something else. Yes, between this and that, honey, you get it all pretty. Get a wedding ring, you put a ring on it. Got to get it pretty though, right? Yes. Y'all, anyway, I just wanted to share with you all these items, and again, I am so excited. Thank you, Jeulia, for reaching out to me. This Amazon seller for the hair remover system will be also down below, but I'm going to test this out and let you know how it's going, and probably do a demo, you know, of maybe my armpits or my under here. Oh my God, this is where the beard grows. And I've tried different things, but it's not eliminating the hair completely. It has thinned it out, you know, some of the natural treatments that I've done, but not eliminated, like killed off the actual hair follicle root. You know, it's got to come from the root. So I'm hoping this is going to help, and this is something that I truly can use. Now, I'm telling you, I love getting things, but I love the things that I really can use, and this is one of those. So that is it, y'all. Just want to share that little bit with you. Hope again you're having a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me time and time again right here on Life with Sweet Angel and Mike. Now, see, if Mike was here, he could have put this ring on my finger, right? Mike said, I don't put rings on your finger no more. I'm just kidding. But this is beautiful. Loving it so much. Y'all, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please like, comment. If you don't have anything to say, go ahead and drop me some hearts down in the comment section. And beautiful babes, I can't call you a beautiful babe if you have not subscribed. Hit the button, hit the button, hit the button, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're really special and really sweet, you're going to go ahead and hit the post notification bell as well. When you tap that, you'll be notified. If you click on notify me every time this woman uploads, because she got something good for us, I would appreciate that so much. And in the meantime and in between time, y'all already know after this video is over, you know what you got to do. Don't keep me a secret. You gotta tell everybody that Sweet Angel is on YouTube, hanging out right here with you. So please share your girl with your world. And if I didn't care, I love y'all. Bye.